Hey guys, so another great question today, sorry about that, that I got online was about kind of using these Boolean tools again. So we're going back to how do we add something maybe in here and knock it out and have a nice flat image so that we can engrave it into it. And there's a couple of different theories or a couple of different ways to do this here. So the first thing we have to remember when we're using our Boolean tools is that we can only use two objects or two items, whatever you want to say. Those two items can be individual circles or shapes, or they can be groups or compound items. So let me go ahead and grab all of this here, right? And I'm going to right click and I'm going to group it. So I'm going to make sure it is now one item. I'm going to do the same here because if I don't, I can't use my Boolean tools, right? This has to be one item. It can't be all these different pieces. Now let me Control Z that back to where it was. I'm going to grab all of this stuff and I'm going to right click and I'm going to group this. And now I have two items. If I have two items, I can then use my Boolean tool. So what I'm trying to do is I want to get this guy kind of knocked out of this guy right here. So I am going to select both and I am going to grab my Boolean assistant. I always use the assistant. It's going to give me the best view of what's going to happen when I use it. That's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't like that either. Okay, so what's going on is it is just knocking everything out. And I really am not looking to have that happen. I don't want these stars in here. So what I really need to do when I'm doing an image like this is make sure, let me move this away, that this guy has a little bit of an offset around it. This is going to help make it look just a little bit better. So I'm going to give myself a 0.04 offset. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to group those things together. I'm going to pull this back down here, grab my flag, go back to that Boolean assist, or you can hit Control B on your keyboard, and I'm going to try and knock it out again. Okay, so that looks a little bit better, but I've got some stars still kind of hanging out in there. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to Control Z and kick this back out to where I had it. All right, this is now grouped together, right? So I'm going to ungroup because really what I want to do is I want to knock out this. I want to knock out this offset from here so that I have this nice blank space to put this in. So let me put that back together. I'm going to grab both of these. I'm still going to pull them together in here. I'm going to change the color, so it's just a little bit easier for us to tell what's going on. So let me change that to red. All right, and now I am just grabbing the piece that I used, that offset that I made, right? Just that and my flag. Now let's go ahead and use Boolean and knock out just that and hit OK. Now I can turn this back into a black fill. And when it engraves, it's going to engrave very nicely, give me a little bit of a definition around the outside. And it's going to, still have all this information here, but it's not going to give me all these little stars or cut-ins. So this is how I would approach this specific layout or this specific design. I would knock out a big circle and then just kind of drop this one in. But again, remember, we can't knock anything out if it's all ungrouped. So if I have this ungrouped and I try to use my Boolean tools here, it's not even going to allow me to do that because I have more than two items. So remember with Boolean, always two items. Hope this helps someone today, and I hope you guys have a great day.